Programming a VEX robot for a competition and got a VEX project file? This is a complete robotics programming project from the VEXcode IDE. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll walk you through opening, editing, and uploading these VEXcode project files to your VEX robot. The fastest method is last. We will prove that a single quality VEX file inspection program is sometimes all you need for complete mastery over various file types. A project file created by VEXcode, the programming environment for VEX Robotics. It contains the block-based or text-based code, C++ or Python, used to program a VEX robot's behavior. Students and hobbyists save their work as VEX files to program robots for educational competitions. The VEX file is essentially a compressed archive, often a zip file, containing the project's source code, configuration settings like robot model and sensor setup, and potentially other assets. This container-based design keeps all project components organized and portable for sharing or backup. This VEX file is handled by the industry-standard tool VEXcode from VEX Robotics. Standard Windows programs often fail to correctly display all layers of the document. Windows provides no automatic execution, so scripts must be launched through an interpreter or shell. We are checking the installed software landscape. Right-click your VEX file and choose Open With. Test VEXcode first if installed. If not, select another application. Often, a lesser-known tool works perfectly. If your VEX file will not open yet, do not panic. We've got this under control. If the VEX file is still closed, it's one of three basic reasons. Here is a list with the common problems and how to check each one. First, opening in VEXcode. Download VEXcode IQ V5 or EXP from VEXrobotics.com. Matching your robot platform. Launch the appropriate VEXcode version and use File then Open to load the VEX project file. The IDE displays the program code, device configuration, and project settings, ready for editing and deployment to your robot. Next, configuring robot devices. Within VEXcode Access, the robot configuration panel to verify motor and sensor assignments, match your physical robot wiring, add or modify device entries, assign brain ports, and configure parameters like motor reversal and sensor units. Save the updated configuration before deploying the program to ensure proper robot operation. Finally, downloading to robot. Connect your VEX robot brain to the computer via USB cable and turn on the robot. In VEXcode, click the download button to compile and transfer the program to the robot brain. Disconnect the cable and run the program from the brain interface to execute the robotics code on your VEX robot. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. When even advanced utilities can't handle the file, the architecture requires a universal reader. FileMagick is the only tool I trust for this level of format variety. Download it at filemagick.com. That was the final fix. If you love fast answers, please give this video a quick like.